Hi, Joe Walker here with Solesbee's Equipment Attachments. I'm at Cobb County Tractor in Marietta, Georgia, where they just finished installing a set of hydraulic rear rippers on a Takeuchi TL12. So the end user here, the customer, has a little farm and a lot of land. His intention to use these rippers is to do work on his land and his farm, and then he has a lot of trails throughout his land. He's going to use that to maintain the trails so him and his kids and his grandkids can do a lot of riding safely. So this customer heard about us. They're a customer of Cobb County Tractor. We have a machine here sitting on demo and display that's set up exactly like this. The customer saw it when he was here to do a visit with the supplier, and he really liked it and had to get one for himself. A lot of the customers I've talked to who've gotten these rippers have shared with me that it saves them quite a bit of money when it comes to not having or reducing the number of pieces of equipment they have on their job site or around their homes, their properties, things like that. So having these rippers reduces the need for a dozer many times. So that's been a big win for a lot of customers, as well as not having to stop, change out an attachment to do any kind of groundwork with that, and they can just put it down, go, and then come back with their bucket or their dozer blades and keep on working. So very simple when it comes to maintenance. Basically there's 6 grease points on each side of the attachment. And then here, 2 grease points on the cylinder. Make sure, depending on usage, grease every 6 months or so. Very heavy usage, probably do a little bit more often. And then obviously just keeping an eye on the teeth, easily replaceable teeth. And that's really about it. Alright, so we finished up the hydraulic rear ripper installation here at Cobb County Tractor. I'd like to thank them for everything. We got out, we tested the machine, had a little bit of fun out there. Now they're going to take it, clean it up, get a new paint job on it, and get it back to their customer. If you're in Georgia, have a Takeuchi machine, or you're interested, please give Cobb County Tractor a call.